I'm Catherine and I'm here with an Armoire unboxing. I already know what's in here because I ordered, with Armoire you get to order what you want, or you could also, if you can't find something you want or you're a little stumped, which I have been at times, you can ask one of the stylists to choose items for you. But this particular package, I've chosen them all. Right now I am doing the unlimited rental with Armoire, where I get 6 items at a time and I can exchange them as often as I would like. For a while I was kind of like sending 2 things back and then would get 2 things in replacement, but I think from now on I kind of want to try to do 6 at a time, because it's kind of nice to get 6 and try to coordinate them together. Plus I am also doing the Rent the Runway, and I have some things that might go with my Rent the Runway things that I already opened. So we'll go ahead and look at these and then I'll try them on for you. I am really torn. I've kind of got it narrowed down to 2 of my favorite rental services are Rent the Runway and Armoire. There's pluses and minuses of both, and I'm pretty torn right now between the 2 of those. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at what I've got and then I'll try them on for you. And please forgive my fingernails. I called to get an appointment today and they can't get me in until tomorrow at my usual spot. So here are our items in a nice little package. On the sticker to send them back, and I will send them back in this same, this has the resealable edge, so I will send them back in this and put that label on. Very easy to send back. This is the top that I was thinking might go, it's so different than the way it looked in the picture, but I was thinking this might go with the satin pants that I have from Rent the Runway right now. We'll see how they look together. But I really like the shape of this top. And I'll read you all the details about them while I'm trying them on. Then we have a page top, dusty, kind of a dusty pink. Really pretty. It's very wrinkled. I'm gonna have to let it hang for a little while. I may even have to steam it. It's kind of a different material than I thought it would be as well, but it's pretty, very pretty. This dress, I really loved this dress. This is a Lily Pulitzer, me and my Lily Pulitzer. I think they said it's a tunic dress, but I'll, like I said, read everything about them whenever. Oh, pretty colors, of course, with Lily Pulitzer. This pink is just gorgeous, hot pink that pops. So we will try this on. And then this dress, I couldn't wait to see this dress. Right now, I have a purple handbag, a very purple handbag from Rent the Runway, and I think these will go nicely together. Very pretty dress, beautiful color, just gorgeous colors. And then we have a Bowden top. I just really love, you know, you can't go wrong with stripes. They just have such an elevated look, and right now the blue and white stripes are so in. So button up that I could wear either open with something underneath, maybe a tank underneath, or wear it buttoned like this, because it's a good fit. It's not that real oversized, but you see a lot of the blue and white stripe right now. And then these I'm really excited about. We have some shorts, linen shorts, so they can be dressy or casual. And I think they're going to be a good length. We'll see whenever I try them on. I thought they might look nice with this. So let's give this all a try and I will come back and show you. All right, this first item from my Armoire bag is the Michael Stars. It's a power shoulder tee. I love the structure of this top. It's got the ruching here that brings it in, and it's figure flattering, comes in at the waist. I love the shoulders that they call power shoulders. I like the neck. I know right now these structured shirts, and this is considered a tank or a tee, and I know these structured shirts right now are in and trending, and I really do like this one. I got it. These are my Rent the Runway Bermuda shorts. And they're satin, they feel so luxurious. If you watch my Rent the Runway, my most recent one, this is where I got those. And I got this top because I couldn't find anything on Rent the Runway to exactly go with these. And just looking on the screen, I thought this would, but the color's not exact, but I still think they coordinate nicely. Let me know if you think so too, but I do think that this would work. These pants are so, they feel so good. They retail, if you watch my video on the Rent the Runway, they retail for $815. But beautiful pair of, I would call them like crop pants, but they call them Bermuda shorts. Anyway, this is a winner. So the first item, and I think these would also look good with my white jeans or my white crop pants. So first item, very good. All right, I'm back with the next two items from my Armoire rental this time, and I am loving both. I thought these color combos would be good together, and they really are. So the shorts are high-waisted, and then I like when they flare at the thighs because I have larger thighs, larger hips, so I really like that better. And the high-waisted really comes in at the waist. They fit perfect. I'll give you more details about these soon. I mean, it looks nice tucked and with the belt, but I also thought we would try a few different ways. One thing, if I take the belt off and we have it untucked and then maybe just like front tucked. So let's try that. And I've even seen it like half tucked. So let's take it all the way out. And then I could, you know, wear a white tank underneath and have it open, which I will try that as well. But if we do maybe a half tuck, I've seen it this way with just the one side tucked in. And then kind of cute. Or we can, and one thing I meant to mention, the sleeves are really long, so I tucked them up, I rolled them up, which I do appreciate that about a button down, is you can roll the sleeves up when they're too long. Then we could do just a full front tuck and have the back out. That would work too. Or tie it. And then, like I said, I'll also come back with a white tank underneath and then with it open. So that would work too. Either way, and then I'd want the belt back on if I was going to tie it like that. The shorts, they just, like I said, they fit perfectly. They're high waist. I love them. Let me give you the details about these items. What do you think about the color combo? I think it worked out well. Okay, the shorts are Who What Wear Rue Linen Blend high-waisted shorts. This is, I'm sorry, the shorts. These are a medium, nice pockets, and they fit perfect, I would say. They are regularly retail for $128, and I could get them for $96. And they are linen. Let's see what else they have in them, because it said a linen blend. I don't see the rest of it in here under the details, but it's a linen blend. They kind of, you know, I live in North Carolina. These two items could get hot. They might be good for like a cool night out, but during the day they'd probably be a little bit too hot right now, but just gorgeous. Let's look at the blouse, and it is Bowden button down, size 10. It would retail for $80, and I could get it for $62. It's a size 10. I might have already told you that. It's a 100% cotton. So it is a little bit wrinkled. I would want it to hang for a little while before I wore it. Lovely items. I did neglect to tell you on the power shoulder top. I want to give you more details about it because I don't think I finished giving you the details. So it's a Michael Stars Armoire Rib Power Tee, and it is 48% cotton and 48% modal, M-O-D-A-L. It retails for $78, but I could get it for $66. Oh, look how it looks with the shorts too. That might be a good combo. Okay, on to the next items. I'm back after holding up this top to these shorts. I thought, wow, they look great together, and I really think they do. I pulled my hair over so that you could see the details of this top. I just love it. I think it's gorgeous. This I might be tempted to keep just because of how flattering it is. Anyway, there's another outfit. And here are the shorts and this Bowden button down with my Frank Lyman white tank. And I just love this. Really nice elevated outfit. Very cute. You know, I could just wear the tank and the shorts and then have the button down to take if we go into a restaurant where it's cool. This would be a nice vacation outfit. Loving these shorts and this button down. I know I'm trying not to purchase anything because I'm trying to do the rental thing and keep my closet clean. These are lovely pieces and they feel great. Okay, this is the dress for my Armoire subscription this time, and I am in love. This dress is fabulous. It moves, it's got pockets, the fabric feels wonderful, it's got gorgeous flowers. I put the belt with it. I'll take the belt off, but I really don't care for it like that. This belt didn't come with it. This is just a belt that I have. I love the ruffles at the top, and then the tie right here, the little kind of the peekaboo hole, but this is just adorable. Love it. I have, the reason I put this darker purple one, I have a lighter purple and a blue and a yellow. I have several belts that would match this that I could try different ones, but I'm renting this handbag right now from Rent the Runway, so I thought that would pair nicely, and it brings out the purple in this. This bag, whenever I did my Rent the Runway, I said I wasn't sure how much it could fit, but I took it out today and it actually does fit my handbag, my key fob, my lip gloss, so it fits everything that I need to carry with me. Let's talk about this dress. So really, really loving it. It'd be nice and cool for a summer day, summer evening. Could dress it up, dress it down. This is, it's a Maggie London ruffled details stretch cotton trapeze dress. And this is a size 6. Let me see if I can tell you what it's made of. I don't know how much percent. I know it's cotton. I guess it's 100% cotton. It's not saying in here. Oh, 98% cotton and 2% spandex. So that's why it feels so great. Love the print in it. Let me show you without the belt. I don't really care for it without the belt, but I know a lot of people wore it that way. And you certainly could. For me, it's just like a little bit too baggy or too loose. Gorgeous dress. I feel like Armoire hit it out of the park this time. I have loved everything that I put on. I have one more item, the pink top that doesn't look so great, but I think after it hangs a little while it might. We'll try that on and see. But this dress, it's a Lily Pulitzer and it is lovely. Such a nice summer dress, beautiful colors. Let me get a little bit closer and you can see it's got hot pink, it's got light green, a darker green, light blue, a darker blue. It is just gorgeous. Love these sleeves. So Lily did not disappoint with this one. I think I've only ever gotten one Lily Pulitzer thing that I was a little disappointed in. Otherwise, I usually love it. So let me show you, this is my belt that I put on. But I also, usually I belt everything because I have a smaller waist and I don't like just something to just hang on me and look boxy, but this doesn't. Even without the belt, it still has shape to it. So let me show you. I think I would wear it both ways. Very classy fit with the belt off. Still fits nicely. I don't feel like I've got a bag hanging on me or I'm like in a sack. You know, it just feels great. So I really love this. Let's talk about it. I cracked my iPad. I dropped my iPad and cracked it. I haven't replaced it yet. I can read around everything. So let's get back. We've got Lily Pulitzer shift dress. This is a size 8. And it is the green multi 100% rayon. 100% rayon. And it would normally retail for $168, and I could get it for $134. This is worth every penny of $134. Beautiful, beautiful Lily Pulitzer dress. One more item. I can tell you that Armoire, this is a hit run. This entire rental I have loved. So I'm thinking about, as I was trying this last item on, I thought, you know what? What I could do is keep many of these items for a little while and purchase more slots. And that might be what I will do. So I'll come back and report if that's what I end up doing. I mean, you can keep them for as long as you want. You just can't replace it. It takes up one of your slots, so you can't replace it. But I mean, there's some things I do not want to let go of, especially for the summer. All right, this top, gorgeous. It could use a little steaming or let it hang in the closet for a little bit, but I thought I'd try it on. This is the dress that skirt that I purchased from from one of my JB style boxes. You should watch that because this skirt is so versatile because of how muted the colors are. How nice does it go with this? This is so feminine and look at the flutter sleeves. I mean, it's just beautiful. Okay, it can work, I think, tucked in like this or even out because I like the edge around the bottom. So I think it would work either way. Very lovely blouse. Let's talk about it. It is a Paige. I love Paige. Paige jeans are the best jeans for me that I have found. This is a Paige blouse, medium. Retails for $159, and I could get it for 50% off for $80. It is flutter sleeve, D1 top by Paige, size medium. It is made, it's 100% rayon. Very nice. So, like I said, this has been a major success for this Armoire rental. It's really got me leaning toward, because I really only want to have one service. I mean, let's face it. It'd be more economical to have one service and then purchase extra slots now and then to be running 2 full services like I am right now. Actually, I'm running 2 full services and also Mod Luxe, but I'm about ready to give up Mod Luxe. All right, so that is the Armoire that was a total fabulous success. And I'll tell you how I end up handling whether I keep, you know, certain items and add a slot, or if I'm willing to let them go, but I don't think I'm letting any of this go. Anyway, this has been a blast. Thanks for watching this one. I have more to come. I have more Mod Luxe items coming, I hope. I opened up the box and I had one thing in it, if you see that unboxing that I did today. But anyway, I'm hoping the rest of them come, and so I'll have that to show to you. Thanks.